time to coat. I'm trying to be a little gentler on the trigger so I can preserve as much poly as possible because we are running out. Okay.
First coat's done. We're definitely gonna run out of poly. We're gonna need another gallon for sure. Got another gallon, but it was at least on sale this time.
I'm trying to decide if I want 2 or 3 coats on everything. 3 coats is gonna use a lot of polyurethane, but I feel like 2 coats isn't gonna be quite enough. These side, like vertical panels, they're not gonna have a lot of contact, but they could get some scraping, some stuff, so I want it to be a little durable. We also have to coat both sides, so we could use up a lot of polyurethane. See, like just one fill of that, it used like a quarter. Okay, second coat is done.
I think we're gonna stick with 2 coats on each side. That's still a lot of poly, and they shouldn't get too much contact. I think they'll be okay. So we gotta flip and start the other side. Flip them over, you realize like how much the coating does to the panels. I just realized we needed to sand the back sides. I'm not gonna show you that, so let's jump to when we're done. All right, time to coat again. We'll let that dry and then start assembling. It's been a day or two judging how everything's looking. I think we're just gonna bite the bullet and coat everything at least one more time. I think one more time will be good. It's still very rough. I would hate to assemble everything and things aren't how we need them to be. They're not as durable as we need them to be, especially if, you know, we bump and rub crates and other storage items into these. So we're gonna sand these, get the rough spots out, and then do one more coat on each side. I know we have more 220 grit sandpaper. I can't find it anywhere. And I know this garage is a mess, but I still can't find it, and that's frustrating. We've got this one crazy little guy left, and I don't think this pad is gonna cut it.
Just gonna give this like a real light sand, hardly any pressure. I don't really want to take anything off, but just get rid of the stragglers, you know?
Once again, we spray. This feels a lot better, so we'll flip, sand, and spray. These pieces feel great, so let's load them down to the studio. So just like those boards, we're gonna do another coat on our flat bench tops too, especially because these will be getting even more work on them, scuffing, things like that. And I'd rather it be a little overkill, so we gotta load these back upstairs. Last one. It's time to sand again with 220 grit.
This thing is also miserable in the heat, but you do what you gotta do.
Ugh, I'm like drenched in sweat in this thing. It's disgusting. Once again, I'm not gonna say for the last time. Again, we are spraying. We almost went through another complete gallon of polyurethane. We're just cooking through this stuff, but you know what? It is what it is. These boards look and feel great, so it is time to once again move them downstairs. But we're at least ready to assemble. I think we'll still probably have a couple small spots to touch up, but I think we'll be able to just do that once it's all assembled with a little paintbrush. Just touch up a couple spots. I'm kind of done spraying anyways. We do need to clean all this up. I haven't seen the floor of my garage in like 3 weeks, and obviously haven't been able to park in it, so there's a lot of sawdust and polyurethane. Time to get cracking and clean this up. Okay, I'm gonna go take a shower. Bye.